Hello kids, welcome back. Welcome back to your math classes, and today we are going to do some mixed word problem based on chapter money. So chapter money पे based कुछ word problem देखो last कई सारे दिन से I am teaching you the same concept just to clear your doubts. Okay, so today also we are going to do the same. I am going to take few questions from chapter money and you will solve those questions. ठीक है? So starting with the first question, Naman buys a medium pizza. I am going to write the question on the board for you. The question goes like, Naman buys a medium pizza for rupees 189.75 and Dishant buy a large pizza for rupees 210. How much more does Dishant spend? How much more? How much more does Dishant pays? So the question is, Naman buys a medium pizza. ठीक है, एक मीडियम साइज का पिज्जा नमन ने खरीदा for 189 rupees and 75 पैसे. For 189 rupees and 75 पैसे. And Dishant buys a large pizza. Dishant buys a large pizza for rupees 210. How much more does Dishant pays? तो दोनों में से अब नमन ने एक मीडियम पिज्जा खरीदा 189 का, दिशांत ने लार्ज पिज्जा खरीदा 210 का. तो दिशांत ने कितना ज्यादा पे किया? ऑब्वियसली अगर दिशांत ने लार्ज पिज्जा खरीदा होगा, जब दिशांत ने लार्ज पिज्जा खरीदा होगा, सो इट इज क्लियर दैट क्या हुआ होगा, जब उसने लार्ज पिज्जा खरीदा होगा तो उसे ज्यादा पे करना पड़ा होगा, है ना. दिस थिंग इज टू क्लियर कि जब उसने लार्ज पिज्जा खरीदा दैट टू फॉर 210 रुपीज, तो उसको क्या करना पड़ा होगा, उसे ज्यादा पे करना पड़ा होगा, है ना. नाउ so as this is a word problem, so the first of all we will write the word statements. Okay, so we will start our lesson with, we will start our answer with statement. So keeping the statement simple, we can go like, cost of medium pizza equals to next statement will be cost of large pizza equals to, so let us write the cost of both the pizza. Okay, so the cost of medium pizza is 189 rupees and the cost of large pizza is 210 rupees. Is 210 rupees. So now what we will do? What is the next step? Next we will subtract. Next what we will do? Next we will subtract. So let us subtract. And how we are going to subtract? We are going to subtract by making two headings. That is one heading for rupees का column and one heading is for पैसे का column. So by making the two heading we are going to subtract. Okay, let us see. रुपीस का कॉलम एंड पैसे का कॉलम. रुपीस 210 and 00 पैसा and 189 rupees and 75 paisa. What we will do? We will subtract it. What we will do here? Now we will subtract. Now come on, do the subtraction. You know how to subtract, I guess. Chalo, subtract it. Come on, subtract it. Start from this place. Okay, now 10 minus 5 we will get 5. 9 minus 7 we will get 2. 9 minus 7 we will get 2. Next, this will be 9. 9 minus 9 we will get 0. 2 and cross. 1 minus 1, 0. Why it will become 1? Because it has given carry to all of them. So this will become 1 and 1 minus 1 will become 0. So now our answer will be 20 rupees and 25 paise. 20 rupees and 25 paise. Okay. This will be our answer. Now, so how much Dishant has to pay? Dishant has to pay 20 rupees 25 paise more. Dishant has to pay rupees 25 rupees 25 paise more. See, अब इस क्वेश्चन में how we will get to know कि we have to subtract. Sometimes kids ask me कि how do you ma'am what to do in this question? We have to add or subtract. See, two quantities are given, two numbers are given and it has been asked कि कौन सा ज्यादा, ठीक है, कौन सा ज्यादा और कितना ज्यादा और उसे कितना ज्यादा पे करना पड़ा. So what you will do? अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में ऐसा आता है so you will subtract. What you will do? You will simply subtract in that question. Okay, without a single thought you will subtract in that question. So statement क्या हमने लिखा? Cost of medium pizza equals to cost of large pizza equals to, and then we have subtracted, and then we have written our final statement, that is Dishant has to pay 20 rupees 25 paise more. Dishant has to pay 20 rupees and 25 paise more. Okay. Now moving toward the next question. I am going to raise this one. Okay. So the next question goes like, if the cost of 6 liters of petrol is 388 rupees, what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? If the cost of 6 liters of petrol is rupees 388.00. What is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? What is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? See, so the question goes like, if the cost of 6 liter of petrol, so if the cost of 6 liter of petrol is rupees 388, what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? What you will do? If the cost of 6 liter of petrol is 388 rupees, what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? 1 liter of petrol का cost कितना होगा? Now, to understand this question in a better way, see 6 liter का cost is given. 6 liters का cost is given and they are asking you to find out the cost of 1 liter of petrol. ठीक है? So they are asking you to find out the 1 liters of cost, 1 liter of petrol, cost of 1 liter of petrol. So what you will do? So here you will divide. जब ज्यादा का दिया रहे, many का दिया रहे और 1 का पूछे, so what we will do? What we can do? We will divide in that question. ठीक है? चलो, come on, solve this question. Then I will write the statement and do the answer. Come on, do this question. If the cost of 6 liter of petrol is rupees 388.00 paisa, what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? Now we have to tell what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol का cost कितना होगा? That we have to find out. Okay. So our first statement will be cost of 6 liter of petrol equals to rupees 388.00. Next, cost of 1 liter of petrol equals to rupees 388.00 divided by 6. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now here we have to divide. अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे हम here we will do the division. Come. So I am taking this space also. 388.00 divided by 6. So what is the rule? Simple division. पहले आपने क्या कर लेना है? आपको simple division कर लेना है. ठीक है? After doing the simple division, what next you will do? आप जब simple division कर लोगे तो बस आपको right side से 2 place पे point लगा देना है. Okay? Do this. Come on, do the question. Completed? Okay. Now, 38 we need. Now, how many times we will take it? 6 6 the 36. So, we will take it 6 times. 6 6 the 36. Now 38 minus 36. How much we will get? 8 minus 6 we will get 2, and 3 minus 3 will get nothing. Carry down 8. Now do we get 28 in 6 table? No. So we will take it how many times? 4 times. Because 6 5 ja we will get 30. So we are going to take it 4 times. 6 4 ja 24. 8 minus 4 we will get 4. Now carry down this 0. 40. Now count 6 tables such a way that you get 40. We don't get 40 in 6 table. So we will take it 6 6 ja 36. Now 10 minus 6 you will get? Tell me. Do it. We will get here 4 again. Carry down this 0. Again we will take it 6 times. Now kids, see, here we are getting a remainder. So avoiding that remainder, our answer will be 64 rupees and 66 paise. 64 rupees and 66 paise. So the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 64 rupees and 66 paise. Okay. Okay, so 2 questions we have already done. Now moving toward the next question. Next question is, if the cost of 1 chair is rupees 213.42, find the cost of 7 such chairs. If the cost of 1 chair is rupees 213.42, find the cost of 7 such chairs. So what you have to do? You have to find the cost of 7 such chairs. Come on, do this. Okay. So if the cost of 1 chair is rupees 213.42, find the cost of 7 such chair. Now, mind in this question, cost of one object is given. One object का cost is given and many का वो पूछ रहे हैं. One का cost is given and they are asking you to find the cost of many objects. So what you will do? So अगर one का दिया है and many का पूछ रहा है, so we will multiply. We will simply multiply. So let us write the statement. Cost of 1 chair equals to 213 rupees and 42 paise. So cost of 1 chair is 213 rupees and 42 paise. Now cost of 7 chairs is equals to 213.42 multiply with 7. That means 213 rupees 42 paisa multiply with 7. Do the multiplication. Come on. Come on, do the question. Completed? Okay, let us do. Now 7 twos are 14. 4 carry 1. 7 fours are 28. 28 1. 29. 2. 7 threes are 21. Then 21 plus 2. 23. 7 ones are 7. Plus 2, 9 and 7 twos are 40. तो अब इतना बड़ा सा आंसर what we will do, 2 place पे we will make a dot. ठीक है? So now our answer is 14 rupees 1493 rupees and 94 paisa. Okay, so this is the cost of 23 such chairs. Sorry, 7 such chairs. Now one more thing. Cost of one chair was given and you have been asked to find the cost of 7 such chairs. So that's why we have multiplied here, because cost of 1 is given. 1 का cost is given and we have been asked to find out the cost of many. जब many का cost find करना होता है तो what we have to do? We have to multiply. In that case, we have to multiply. Okay. Now, I'm going to erase the board. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is, see, we have already done all type of word problems, है ना? We have already done different types of word problem that include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and all of them. Now, the next question that we are going to do is, see this question. Add 637.65 94 rupees and 0 rupees 85 paise. Okay, so this is the question. This we have to add. Now, so you all might be thinking that, ma'am, this question is very easy. Yes, it is. This question is very easy, but what happened most of you don't know where to write which number. Okay, as you can see, the sum here rupees part is missing, here paise part is missing. So we are going to do the addition. So the first thing that we have to do, we have to make two columns. That is, one is of rupees and other one is of paisa. Okay. Now सबसे पहले first we will write 637 rupees and 65 paisa. Next we are having 94 rupees. So see, in 94 rupees paisa part is missing. 94 rupees में क्या है? पैसा part is missing. So we'll write just 94 and 00 paisa. Next here 85 paisa is given. 85 paise means 0 rupees and 85 paise. So we will write 0 rupees and 85 paise. Now do the addition. Come on, do this addition yourself. Okay, let us do. Now 5 plus 5 we will get 10. Okay, next 5 plus 5 10 and carry 1. Now 6 plus 8 14, 14 1 15, carry 1. Now 7 plus 4 11 and 11 carry 1 12. Next 9 plus 3 12 1 13, carry 1 and 6 1 7. Now so our answer is 732 rupees and 50 paise. Our answer is 732 rupees and 50 paise. This is our answer. Now if we have done one question on addition, now let us do this question also. Our next question is subtract. Next question is subtract. Subtract rupees 135.45 from 400 rupees and 20 paise. Okay. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract. So we will write the greater number first. So the greater number is 420. But before that we have to make rupees ka column and paise ka column. So we will write 420 and from that we have to subtract 135.45. Okay. Do the subtraction. Come on, do the subtraction. We will start from here. So 10 minus 5 we will get 5. Next 7. Now this number, this will become 9. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 3 6. And this number will become 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will become 2. So our answer is 264 rupees and 75 paise. This is our answer. So today we have completed almost all the doubts that is related to chapter money. Now from our next class we will start a new chapter. Okay.